Today's news is sponsored by Game Plan Financial. Every game has a winner. Every winner has a game plan. For more information, visit GamePlanFinancial.com. Now for today's headlines. Local governments could eliminate as much as 8.6% of their total full-time equivalent jobs by 2012, according to a survey commissioned by the National League of Cities, the National Association of Counties, and United States Conference of Mayors. Findings indicate that, as a result of cities and counties slashing jobs to balance out budget shortfalls, nearly 500,000 positions could be at risk. According to the report, quote, local governments across the country are now facing the combined impact of decreased tax revenues, a fall-off in state and federal aid, and increased demand for social services. In this current climate of fiscal distress, local governments are forced to eliminate both jobs and services, unquote. In economic news, the price per barrel for oil this morning dropped more than $1 and hovered near $76 on the New York Mercantile Exchange. This decline came amid the U.S. Energy Information Administration having reported that crude stockpiles climbed 7.31 million barrels the week previous, a figure compared with estimates of a 1.6 million barrel rise. And finally, the administration also says gasoline and distillate stocks rose, though not as much as had been projected. In property casualty news, for the second consecutive week, requests for home loans climbed to the highest level since June. However, this figure still falls just above a 13-year low, the Mortgage Bankers Association reports. The group says its mortgage market index fell by a seasonally adjusted 4.4% in the week ended July 23rd. Meanwhile, average 30-year mortgage rates climbed to 4.69%, an increase of 0.10% since the group started tracking rates in 1990. For more on the industry, visit producersweb.com.